Get it? Today we're going to look at the goat and sheep pen briefly. It is going to go away, and that area is going to morph into something else. We're going to talk about that, and then we'll go out in the garden, take a look around, see what's growing. I got my second cup. Let's do this. So when this channel was brand new and the twins were also brand new, a friend of ours gave us a goat. I remember telling our neighbor across the street, hey look, our friend gave us a free goat. And he says, there's no such thing as a free goat. And boy was he right. That first goat was Arabella, and she taught me how to build a good fence. I even had a little bit of a series that I used to make back then when the across the street neighbor would call and say, hey, Miss Goat's over here. Well, here's a familiar scenario. So yeah, a fun time was had by all. A lot of times I would go over there and she'd make me chase her around and then just end up coming back home, going directly to her pen. Just fun and games. So since the early days of goat keeping, we built this newer building with the greenhouse in the front and the goat shed in the back. It was supposed to be like a passive solar, keep the goats warmer in the winter idea. So anyway, here's a look at our goat and sheep pen and what the plans are for the future. The chickens are over here in a small run. We're about to add more chickens to them. So what I'd like to do is move them over here where the goats used to live. Not here. And I'm looking through the viewfinder. Here. Where the goats used to live. And do an arch kind of thing like we've done in the garden with one of these kennel gates underneath. Just have an arch kind of larger run coming out this way. Long story short, sometimes the lessons we learn from our mistakes or oversights, or can't even imagine the goat would do that, are the lessons that that stick with us the best. Much like when you're milking a goat and have a container of goat milk and a container of breast milk. The containers are the same, and you think you'll remember where you've put one or the other, and you didn't label it because you'll remember, and then you feed one of your babies goat milk on accident. That's a lesson that sticks with you. The asparagus beans under the arch right here by the side gate are making some progress. So let's see how well we're killing stuff off here. Oh, okay. Yeah. I see some this fescue stuff still holding on into there, and it'll bounce back quick, so we are not done killing weeds yet. The bush beans are looking good. This looks like peas here. Did I put peas here? I have to look at another episode, I guess. That doesn't seem right. I don't, maybe, I don't know. Well, we did it. It wasn't perfect, but it's done. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Life's what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. Oh, baby. If you're in such a hurry to get home, why do you leave?